1, let's start from part number 1. Write 3.5 billion in digits. 3.5 billion in digits. 3.5 billion will be equal to 3.5 simply means 3.5. So 3.5 billion will mean 3.5 times 1 billion. 1 billion has 9 zeros. So you put the 9 zeros. Now how do you do that? Let's do it here. You can do it in your jotter this way. 3.5 times 1 billion. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's 9 zeros. So you cancel all the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you move the decimal in this 3.5. You move it forward 9 times. Let me write it here. 3.5. I move the decimal forward 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The point is here now. So you have to put zeros here. 1, 2, put zeros here. So the answer will now be 3, 5. Let's count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you put the 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You do it in your jotter this way before you now arrange properly. You can now arrange in groups of 3s. So that will be 3. This is how you arrange. Let's see. This is one group, another group, and this 3 will stand alone. So you write 3, leave a space, 5, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, leave another space, 0, 0, 0, leave another space, 0, 0, 0. You must check what you are putting in groups. There's one there, this is another one, this is another one, and this 3 will stand alone. So you have to write it this way. So that's the answer. 3. Let me bring that up here so that I can see it. Let's bring it up here. Now the answer is that's equal to 3. Leave a space. You should do it in your jotter first so that you don't get confused. 5, 0, 0, leave another space. 0, 0, 0, leave another space. 0, 0, 0. And the answer is 3.5 billion, which means 3.5 billion. Now let's go to the next one. Let's say the next one. Number 2. What does that say? Write 2.5 million liters in digits. 2.5 million. 2.5 million liters. You must put the unit if there's a unit. 2.5 million liters. 2.5 simply means 2.5. So 2.5 million means 2.5 times 1 million. 1 million has 6 zeros. 2.5 times 1 million liters. What do you do? Let's do it here. 2.5 times 1 million. Cancel all the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. I'll move decimal forward 6 times. You move the decimal here forward 6 times. Let's put it here. 2.5. I'll move the decimal forward 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the point is here now, so you have to put zeros here. So what do you now have? You have 2, 5, and how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can now arrange properly. You know that you should arrange in groups of 3s. This is one group, another group, and these 2 will stand alone. So that's 2. You leave a space. 5, 0, 0. Leave another space. 0, 0, 0. And that's the answer. 2, that's equal to 2. 5, 0, 0. You leave a space after the 2. 5, 0, 0. And leave a space and then write another 0, 0, 0. And that's the answer. Don't forget the unit. Liters. That's 2,500,000 liters. Now what is number 3? Let's check that. That's 3.25 million. That's just a number. 3.25 million. 3.25 million. And what does that mean? Let's check that. 3.25 million. 3.25 million. That simply means, first of all, you write 3.25 as a decimal. This simply means 3 plus what 1/4 as a decimal. That's 1/4. 4 in 1, 0. 4 times 0, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 4 in 1 again is impossible. You add a 0 and put a point here. 4 in 10, 2. 4 times 2, 8. 10 minus 8, 2. 4 in 2 is impossible. You add a 0 and say 4 in 20, 5. 4 times 5, 20. Now you subtract and have 0, 0. So the answer will be 3 plus 0.25, which is equal to 3.25. So 3.25 means 3.25. And that simply means 3.25 million means 3.25 times 1 million. 3.25 million simply means 3.25 times 1 million. And 3.25 is the same as 3.25. You should write it in decimal. And that simply means, how do you do that? 3.25 times 1 million. Let's do it in a jot as usual. So you can do it here so that your note will not be rough. Do it in a jotter. That simply means do this in a jotter. 3.25 times 1 million. 1, 2, 3. Cancel the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And move the decimal in 3.25 forward 6 times. Move the decimal forward 6 times. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The decimal is here now. So you put zeros here. Like that. And that simply means 3, 2, 5. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just write the numbers first before you now put spaces where you should have spaces. So let's go. Put them in groups of 3s. 3, and this 3 will stand alone. So that will be 3, leave a space, 2, 5, 0, leave a space, 0, 0, 0. And that's the answer. That's 3,250,000. So the answer is 3, leave a space, 2, 5, 0, leave another space, 0, 0, 0, which is 3,250,000. And that is it. Very, very simple. You should go over this and try more questions on your own.